So we've been on quarantine for about a month now. For the first 2 weeks, I was pumped, I was working out regularly, I was consistent. But now, about a month in, I'm losing steam, tinatamad na ako, I just wanna lie down and watch TV the whole day. So it's a good thing that I got this watch because I have to test it out, so I have no choice but to get moving. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Leia, and this is my review of the Realme Band. But before we get to that, here's a quick reminder to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Also, big shout out to Jeff Law, Mr. Pinoy Fitness. Ginagamit ko pa rin yung shirt na bigay mo. To get it out of the way, the Realme Band is about 1,000 pesos when converted. Guys, this isn't the official Philippine pricing yet. I let you know when I hear from our friends from Realme. But yeah, we can expect the band to be very affordable. In fact, I think it's one of the most affordable fitness bands that can monitor your heart rate 24/7. So guys, inuna ko na yung price so we can set the expectations of the performance based on the cost. Now let's check out the band itself. To be honest, it looks like your usual fitness band. We got the color black, but it's also available in army green and yellow, which is my favorite among the three. I don't really have much to say about it because it looks pretty standard. I did notice that it's very light, which I like because it's comfortable. The display is 0.96 inches, it's TFT LCD, not OLED, so it doesn't get very bright. Right now, it's not a big deal for me because I'm just working out from home, but when all this is over and we can work out from outside, we can go running or biking, I can imagine that it can be quite challenging to see the display. Now, you can change the brightness from the app, not the watch itself, but even at max, yeah, it doesn't get very bright. One thing you should know is it's not a touch screen, so instead there's a button at the bottom that you can press. So one press and you see that's my step count. It's not a lot, I'm just home, I should work on that. Press and hold and you will see other stats like the calories you burn, the distance, the time. There you go. Then now you see that it's monitoring my heart rate. There are 3 workout options that you can store in the watch, but there are more options later on through the app and I will show you how to customize it. You also have the option of turning on screen rotate to make reading notifications easier, but personally, I just don't go for it. Maybe you'll find it useful, I just don't. One thing I like about the Realme Band is how easy it is to charge. All you have to do is remove the strap and plug it in, and it will charge. You don't have to bring a separate charger that you just might misplace. I do that a lot. The Realme Band has a 90 mAh battery. Now with idle alert on, with drink reminders, with 24/7 heart tracking, it lasted me about 5 days, which isn't bad at all. Now, charging it from 0% to 100% takes about 1 hour. And I just have to say that when I tried to work out and I only had 20% of battery left on the band, it wouldn't let me track my workout. So if you do plan to exercise for the day, make sure that you have more than 20% charge on this one. One thing you should know about the Realme Band is it's very much dependent on the Realme Link app. So you just have to download it, it's free, and register an account, connect your band with the app, and fix the settings. At the settings menu, you can change your watch face, and right now you see that there aren't a lot of options yet, so I'm hoping that Realme will add more in the future. Then you can choose if you want to accept calls, get message notification, idle alert, which I find very helpful because the band tells me to get moving if I've been sitting down for too long. I also like drink reminder because now more than ever we have to stay hydrated. Ang init na, friends. And you have other options like find my phone, do not disturb, raise to wake up. You can also choose the brightness on this app, the language settings, screen rotate, which I talked to you about earlier. And yeah, pretty much you can customize the band to your liking. Now let's talk about sports mode or the different kinds of workout that you can do with the band. So you can only store 3 at the band, but you have other options. So you have cricket, there's run, bike, hiking, climbing, spinning. I just chose yoga, fitness, and walk because right now it's what fits me best. The app itself is very easy to use. At a glance, you can see the number of steps that you've taken today and the past couple of days. So yeah, really have to work on those steps. And then you see how long you have slept, how much of it is deep, how much is light, and if you woke up anytime during the night. And of course, it records your workout. So that's the workout I've been doing. I haven't really worked out today yet. There you go. In my other fitness band videos, people would always ask me if the fitness band would work with other smartphones. Well, the answer is yes. In this case, you don't have to be a Realme user for this watch to work. Other things that you should know about the Realme Band is that it's IP68 rated, so you can get it wet, you can sweat a lot during the workout, and you don't have to worry about it. Also, it uses Bluetooth 4.2, although I did not notice any connection drops while I was using it during workout. So how accurate is the Realme Band? To test it out, I wore two at the same time. So I wore the Realme Band and the Huawei Band 4 Pro. I will flash the results on the screen, and as you can see, they're not exact, but they're pretty close. For the heart rate monitor, I checked mine first with the Realme Band, then with the Huawei Band 4 Pro immediately after. I will flash the numbers on screen, and as you can see, while they are not exact, they're once again pretty close. Honestly guys, for about 1,000 pesos, again, this isn't the official price yet. I will keep you posted on that. But more or less for that price, I think that the Realme Band is a pretty good fitness watch. I think that it offers great value for money. It's a great budget fitness band. And honestly, I don't know if it's just me. The fact that I'm wearing one makes me want to work out harder, makes me want to work out more consistently. Kayo din ba ganon? Is it just me? So to sum it up, what I like about the Realme Band, aside from the price, is first, the reminders. I like that it tells me to get moving when I've been sitting down for too long. I like it that it tells me to drink water and stay hydrated. The 24/7 heart tracking is good too. I like how easy it is to charge and that I don't need a separate cable, a separate charger. Honestly guys, the display could use some work, but considering the price, I really can't complain. Actually guys, that's it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Leah. Stay safe, happy, and healthy guys. Bye!